Hello and welcome to this video. This is Damo and we are having a look, as the title description says above, and maybe the description down below says, we are having a look at my Turtle Beach Impact 700 Cherry Blue Cherry Blue Switch keyboard. Bloody hell, I can't speak at the moment. So this is the keyboard that I'm having a look at. Very sorry for the dodgy camera work. I'm using my phone at the moment, my Samsung Galaxy S8, to do this video. So it's not going to be as stable as I want it to be. Not desirable, but it's the only camera that I've got at the moment. But anyway, so this is a cherry blue switched keyboard, and this I bought out of a second-hand store in town. And my god, you should have seen it when I bought it. I didn't realize until I got it home it was dusty as hell. I've got most of the dust off, as you can see. The main dust was between the keys. I have got most of the dust off, and I've just been testing this out, testing the functions and the main features, of this keyboard, and I absolutely love it. It is to replace my my previous gaming keyboard, the no-named PowerShell keyboard. It was a light-up keyboard. Anyway, I've previewed it before. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll put a card up on the left-hand side. Well, this keyboard is to replace that keyboard, and the only reason why I had to replace it is because I decided to I've got a mad cleaning thing in me in me head at the moment. You may not know to have a look at the place. I'm not going to show it on camera because it's a bit embarrassing, but yeah, I've got a quite mad cleaning sprint on my electronics, so I decided to clean the keyboard, and you had to basically take it apart. And when I take stuff apart, isn't really a good idea, which in a sense is the reason why now I've had to buy a new power supply. I mean, I've had to buy a new power supply and a new case, because I'm looking to upgrade my my system. Originally, I wanted to just buy keep the existing power supply that I've got, and which is a CX 750 Corsair power supply, semi-modular power supply. But I recently I've just had to buy a brand new power supply. It's a 650 watt EVGA power supply. I will preview it. I will show it off on video and possibly unbox it when I get it. But that's just been ordered now, and a fractal design case also that's been ordered. Set me back quite a bit, about £166, and hopefully within the next week or so I'll be able to buy my Ryzen 1700X processor and motherboard, and DDR4 RAM. I'm looking at getting 16 gig DDR4, so keeping the same amount of gig usage that I've got in the current system. The reason why I've done that, because I need 16 gig. I do a lot of editing, I do a lot of streaming, I do a lot of gaming, and I do a lot of other stuff that doesn't make the channel on a lot of like little bit of graphic design and stuff like that. So I need high a lot of memory on it, and I've actually doubled, yeah, in a sense, doubled the speed from 16 to 2700 megahertz. So it should run quite well. Anyway, yeah. So this keyboard is a Turtle Beach Impact 700 mechanical keyboard, and if I can actually test it out now to show you what it's like. It's a lot louder than the previous keyboards, and it's a lot louder than some keyboards out there, but has all the features and a few more features than originally you might see in a keyboard, in a standard keyboard, sorry. But once this bloody thing loads, this is my Asus laptop running Windows 7, very poorly at the moment. I'm just using this. I've actually been relegated to this because my current system is down. As I've said, I bought a new power supply. The power supply in itself was coming to the end of its, well, I had a lot of problems with that power supply right from day one. It never really functioned right. It never really gave me enough. It never really behaved right. It always kept doing its own thing. So anyway, so I bought a new power supply, 650 watt, even though we've got a 750 watt in here. I'm thinking 650 watt. When I bought the 750 watt, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. So that's why I bought a 750 watt. Now, you don't really need that amount of power if you're just running a single card, which I'm running me Asus RX 480, which I've still got. It's a smack bang fantastic card, even though it doesn't get all of its an ideal its comeuppance on reviews. It's realistic power on its reviews. I find it's all I really need at the moment. I might update it sometime. I don't know, but that's for another upcoming video. Anyway, this keyboard is as you see, it's got a standard layout keyboard. It's got all the F switches there. It's got this it's got the sound, plus sound, minus sound, and sound off. You use that with a function key, which is there. You've got the alt keys here. You got the wing key. You got the string key, which is more of a control key. You've got obviously enter, the shift, the tab, sorry, tab, caps, yep, sorry, caps, shift, shift there. I think that's caps actually. Yeah, sorry, that's their caps, their caps. What we're talking about, enter, shift. So yeah, and you've got your number key there, and you've got also, this is a very good function. This is the light feature function. So basically, all you do is you press Control, and if I can put it in here, and then you just click that button, F11, that turns some of the lights, the WASD keys on, and turns the arrow keys on here. So you've got clear indications if you want to walk through, if you're on a obviously a platform or a walkthrough game. Then you've got the function, then you click it again, function, and then you've got all the numbers that light up here, 1 to 6. Then you press the function key again, and that turns the whole motherboard, the whole light system off. And once you press it again, there we go, it's all on. Now if you hold the light one, you've got a different, see, that's a lot brighter. And then you've got, oh, where is it? No. Oh, sugar, wrong key. Yeah, so you've got it dimmed, it glows there. I think it's not glowing there, it's dimmed. That's the lowest it'll go. Then you've got the medium, then you got the high, then it sort of pulsates, which is a very nice effect. Yeah, I like that. And then you press that again, and then it pulsates quicker like that. And then you press that again, and then it just basically reverts. It just keeps signaling. It's basic programmed keyboard. But what you also have on here, if I can do it up, you've got your mic, and you've got the headphone jack there, and you've got two USB 2.0 ports there. I think one of them's actually a 3.0 if I remember right, but the 2.0 anyway. Yep. And also you've got your numlock. You've got your scroll lock, which is also the button key. And then you've got your caps, which is that key there. So that is caps actually, yeah. And so it says numlock, cap lock, and scroll lock. Yeah, so that's the keyboard all there. It's a very nice keyboard, but we'll just sample it on the typing. So if we get my hand into shot and we do this, so we put hang on, oh bollocks, sorry about. No, I don't want to paste it. I'm so noob with these computers. Right, so I've put it on level on 50 font. So we can go hello, whoops, hello world, if I can spell it right. Hello, WOLD. There we go. That's just a little simple. And also you've got, so you can definitely hear the keys, as you can see there. And that's all the gibberish that I'm writing at the moment. Better not sneaking a swear word in there, but suppose you get the idea. Yeah, so that's the keyboard more or less done. This actually cost me around about £30, but they do retail at about £90 brand new. This was a second-hand one, and my god, it was dusty. It was really dusty when I got it. Didn't realise in the shop because it was hid behind something else. They're showing it me quick within about 2 minutes. I thought, nope, I'll have it, because I really needed a keyboard. My other keyboard basically knackered out, and I'm having a right old fun with electronics at the moment. So note to anyone who is thinking of cleaning out their systems, just watch what you're doing because you can easily break them. The power supply, I think it was on its way out anyway. The keyboard, no, that was a bit of a stunner, but it was only a cheap keyboard that I had. I think that cost me about 16 quid. But that I had for quite a number of years. Even the power supply I've had for about 3 years. So you know they do sort of do last a lifetime, last enough. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time on another video. Sorry for the rant in this video. I just wanted to show off this keyboard and to give you a bit of an insight into what I'm up to at the moment, my essential miscomings of my technical tech world. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on another video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, it helps me so much. I'm very grateful for every single person who subscribes. If you want to support this channel, please don't forget to click that support link in the top left hand corner, and I will see you next time on another video. Bye for now. Bye.